Benedict Tso Vilakazi is the all-time top goal scorer for Orlando Pirates with 52 goals plus 32 appearances for Bafana Bafana.
If you understand what I'm talking about, you will say to me, so you are correct.
Now you can catch Tso live every Monday on Omni Audio, TikTok, Facebook, and X. Don't miss Tso's football wisdom exclusive to Omni.
Oi, welcome to Tso's Football Wisdom. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and post. Niyazi bafethu every Monday, 10 o'clock. It's live, Omni Audio. Africa.
Grootman, the biggest talking point, Kaizer Chiefs play Orbit College. Orbit College are going to the FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs have been on the roll. Won the game, KF 3-1, won against Durban City, 1-0. They're going to this game personally as favorites, and as much as they're not scoring a lot of goals, they are 1-0, 2-0, 2-1, Yabapusha, it gives them points and it puts them somewhere, which then keeps them in the title race. What do you see happen? 7:30 kickoff, FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs play Orbit College.
I'm a coach for life. You guys need to do what you always do best. And what you always do best is to do what? Is to win. In our culture, there's this say that ngihamba kancane njengonwabo elaqeda abantu benkosi. Abantu baloko bayawa ngawani kanti unwabo selifikile. That's Amakhosi for life. Yeah. No. You're not making noise. Amakhosi are not making noise. They're just hammering. You don't make noise. You just hammer. And when you hammer, that's when people will start to open their eyes and see. And yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what must I say, man. Yes, I'm in a very, very difficult position this time around. Very difficult one. But you guys, you are subscribing, you are sharing, you are posting, and that is one thing that I appreciate a lot. I'm a coach for life against Obit. I like Obit because also my son is there at Obit. Then there's the big team. I'm a coach for life. This team is a big team in South Africa and also in the continent. You can even go overseas in London. My sports shops are corner. You'll get Kaizer Chiefs jerseys. It's there. I'm not lying. Ask people that they travel overseas. They'll tell you that you will find Amakhosi jersey in one of the sports shops out there. I'm not just talking. So tomorrow night, and I know after I'm gonna say what I'm going to say now, I'm going to get calls after my show because I know that this friend of mine is always, supporting me in terms of listening to whatever that I'm saying about football. That's the owner of Obit. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Obit 0. I know he's going to call me, my brother. You know how much I love you, my brother. But you playing against a big team. Now we are some fit. Playing against Amakhosi, it's not easy. So Amakhosi will win the game 2-0.
Man, if Kaizer Chiefs are really to win this one 2-0, how should they approach the game?
Look, one thing that is positive about Chiefs right now is that they create chances. And I said it even last week that I like that they create chances. Then it makes the job for the coaches to be more lesser than the initial job of saying we need to start by creating chances and then we're going to finish. No. So now they're creating chances. When they get to that final third, it's just a matter of just cool down in that box. Just cool down. Tatama ayusubeke like kanda. Itugiyehla temperature, kuyashisa temperature, and then take the right decision at the right time and punish. That's the difference between those overseas teams and us, like Kaya, Ectini. Overseas, you make a mistake, they punish you. For example, look at what happened between Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns over the weekend. Muremi made a mistake by wanting to play the ball in the middle, and then Sundowns have got the ball, they punish them. That's football, how it is.